Welcome back to another video, guys. This is the Mario Mini 4, and you might have seen it on the channel the other day where I said it arrived dead on arrival. It did. The 12-volt regulator is unfortunately not playing ball, but I'm going to put a screenshot on the screen now of what I've done, and basically I've wired it into the back there, directly to the battery pad on VBAT, and we're going to take it for its initial impressions flight, see what we think of it. This is the one a lot of people are really excited about because it is a dead cat and it's sort of more prop set of view and cinematic and smooth. A lot of people are really excited about this. So we're going to take it for its initial flight. We've got a 660 mAh GNB underneath there. See what we can get out of it, and I'll catch you all in flight, and then of course the outro. Peace. Okay, we're on 4.2 now, so no more beeping. There is an instant feel of dead catness about it. It is the dead cat version. This is the 4 that wouldn't actually work for us. It seems the 12-volt regulator has decided to give up the ghost on arrival. So we've powered it off the battery leads. It doesn't appear to be having any negative effects. And this one is designed really for more cruising. Of all the 3, or the 4 new ones really, this one's designed more to just sort of chill, cruise, and obviously get the prop set of view, which is what it does really, really well. Now, you can still freestyle it, of course, as we can see there, although that was very basic freestyle, of course. So yeah, we're on a hover point of about 20% throttle. It's smooth, it's quiet, it's really quiet. A little bit of an issue with the LQ there, nothing major, just sort of dropping. There is a lot of interference around this area. There is a hospital over there, as you can hear. Lots of trees. But the RSSI was about -80, which for the settings that we're running, I don't really have a problem with. It's better than the original Mario Mini by quite a distance. And it is going to be a different kind of flight than the other Mario Minis that we've reviewed for this first impression, because we are going to just play to its strengths, and its strengths is this smooth, learn how to speak, this smooth cruise. This is what it is really going to excel at. And it is excelling at it. Now, we're only using a 660 mAh GNB. We're not using a big battery today, just mainly to check the reliability of this 04 Pro after we had to rewire it. But everything's absolutely fine. And I think this may be my summer cinematic quad, I've got to be honest. I think if I go out somewhere in the summer and decide I'm going to get some cinematic filming, this is so small and more importantly quiet that I think this might just be the one. But again, this is just our first impressions video. This is not a review, so stick with us. We're going to have a full review of both the 4, the 3.5, we've already done the 3.5, of the 4, the 3, and of course we've done the 3.5, and then we're going to put it all together in a mega comparison video, and we're going to compare the strengths and weaknesses of each one and decide which one you guys should buy for whatever it is that you want to do. Now, 3 minutes and 15 seconds on a 660 mAh 4S that has been abused for 5 years, I think is really, really good. I'm going to come back and land, and I'll speak to you guys in the outro. Four minutes flight time on 3.56 volts. Should recover to about 3.65. And there we go. So what do we think of it? Well, it flew for 4 minutes on a really battered and really old 4S 660mAh LIHV from GNB. Battery's probably about 5 years old now and well into thousands of cycles. So the fact that it flew for that long, I was really impressed with. Obviously, if you put it on it and you go like high throttle, you are going to sort of suck juice a lot quicker, but it's cinematic and it's smooth and it will just pull you through with those big 4-inch props. And it's super light as well, and it's super stiff. So I think this one is going to be a really interesting one. I think this one's going to offer something different than all the others offer, because it's props out of view, because it's so smooth, and because those big lumbering props will just pull you through the air. Have you got any questions for the review? Do you want to know anything? Do you want us to feature anything in the review? Well, now's your time. Let us know in the comments down below. Hopefully we'll have the review out for the weekend. Then what we're going to do is like a mega comparison of all of the Mario mini series. Find out which one's the best, find out which one, you know, is the best for you, and take it from there. Any questions? Let me know. Until next time, you've all been amazing. Please like, hype, share, and do other weird things with this video that I really still don't understand. Peace! YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.